Good morning once again and welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Gamotho. And in this video, I want to introduce Algebra 10, whereby we shall be dealing with simplification and solving of algebraic expressions and equations. Now, the first example is talking about simplify 2x squared minus 6x all over x squared minus 2x minus 3. And this one is just an issue of finding out what is common and factorizing it out both at the numerator and at the denominator. And if you look at the numerator, on the whole number side or the constant side, we have 2, which is common, so it's here. We have x squared here and x here. That means x is common. So 2x now happens to be outside the bracket because it is actually the common factor between the upper two terms, 2x squared minus 6x. So within the bracket, 2x squared divided by what is common, 2x, we get x, and negative 6x divided by 2x, we get negative 3. That is now what is within the bracket. At the denominator, it's a quadratic expression, and that means we expect to factorize it also. And this one, we just take the BAC approach, whereby we take x squared minus 2x minus 3. You can already see that the b itself is already in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And you can already see now our b is negative 2, so the BAC approach, our b is negative 2, and our AC is minus 3. So which two terms do we multiply? They give us negative 3, and the same terms, BAC, the same two terms we add, they give us minus 2. Which are these two terms that we multiply to give us AC, and we add to give us negative 2? Obviously, this is minus 3 times 1 and minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 times 1 is going to give us negative 3, and negative 3 plus 1 is going to give us minus 2. That means we need to break the middle term now, this one, and write now this as x squared, because one term is 1 and the other term is minus 3, so plus x minus 3x minus 3. Now, within the first two, x is common, so inside the bracket we have x plus 1, and then minus 3 is common, and within the bracket you have x plus 1. And you realize that the terms outside form their own bracket, x minus 3, and the repeated bracket is written once, x plus 1. So in a nutshell, what we have at the numerator now, everything becomes 2x, x minus 3, and at the denominator, we have x minus 3, x plus 1. So you realize that that bracket will cancel out with that one because they are common, and the final submission to this simplification is going to be 2x all over x plus 1. And that is the farthest we can go as far as simplification is concerned. So this is the final answer. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video. Of course, subscribe and share widely so that we can walk this journey of mathematics together.